To the corridors of justice, where murder convict Joseph Irungu alias Jowie has challenged a High Court ruling that sentenced him to death for the murder of businesswoman Monica Kimani. Irungu is challenging the constitutionality of the death penalty and seeks to overturn the decision made by Lady Justice Grace Nzioka on the 13th of March 2024. And as Emily Chebet now reports, Irungu's appeal seeks to have the death sentence penalty declared a degrading form of punishment, terming it torturous, cruel and inhumane.
The legal battle between Joseph Irungu alias Jowie and the state continues after the convicted murderer in the Monica Kimani murder case filed a petition challenging Lady Justice Grace Nzioka's decision to sentence him to death. In the petition filed at the High Court's Constitution and Human Rights Division, Irungu is seeking to have the court overturn the decision, saying the sentence infringes on his constitutional rights. Through his advocates, Irungu is seeking the court to issue a declaration that Section 379(4) of the Criminal Procedure Code is unconstitutional, null and void, to the extent that it denies persons sentenced to death the right to bail pending appeal. The petition is also asking the court to issue a declaration that Section 379(4) of the Criminal Procedure Code is discriminatory and infringes on the right to human dignity of a person sentenced to death, and thus is contrary to Articles 27 and 28 of the Constitution. According to Irungu, imposition of a death penalty is a violation of the right of life protected under Articles 26(1) of the Constitution. He is thus seeking an order to declare that the death penalty, in its nature and in the manner, process and mode in which it is or can be implemented, is torture, cruel, inhumane, and or a degrading form of a punishment prohibited under Article 25 of the Constitution. The murder convict, who has sued the Attorney General, is seeking a declaration that all other laws that prescribe a death penalty in Kenya are inconsistent with and in contravention of the Articles 25 and 26 of the Constitution to the extent that they permit or prescribe the imposition of death sentences, adding that the petitioner's sentencing to death on 13 non-derogable right to freedom from torture and cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment or punishment, contrary to Article 25 of the Constitution.
In arriving at the conclusion, it was a gruesome murder.
Irungu, 33, was found guilty of the brutal murder of Monica Kimani in her Lamuria Gardens apartment in Nairobi on the night of September 19, 2018. Justice Nzioka ruled that the horrific murder was intentional, sentencing Irungu to death. Emily Chebet, Citizen TV.